So we're at the Antelope Valley Marina, Antelope Point Marina, and we're taking our tour. The point tour. Look at these rocks here. Wow. It's 3 o'clock on the 12th of April. Look at how low the water is. They can't even use the ramp anymore. They had to build a new one that goes around. This is going to be really excellent, I think. I'm looking forward to it. Interesting.
These are all our good friends, Brett, Kara, Tim, Corey, Adam, and Amber. It's not that easy to remember everybody's name, right? Sorry. So, that's fantastic. I'm glad you're celebrating.
Yep. Right here. Yep. So it's gone forever. There'll be plenty of iPhones in the water today. So check to that. We're speed up now, so if you
Alright, this is the beginning of our journey at Lake Mead. Yeah, I did. Yeah, bucket list.
I thought we were going to be here more.
Well, I thought. I know, but now it's not so good anymore. The water's so low. Alright, this is the next best thing.
We're at Antelope Canyon now. We're leaving the channel. 3 more miles down that direction, or 5 kilometers. Our boats were all the way up there. Yeah, so lower lake elevation brings us more exposed rock for you guys to see. It's actually quite dramatic seeing it like this compared to full capacity, because this will share with everybody else and we'll be good. Brown trout. You guys know how much? Between, well, the most, $33 per fish. 33. Good friend of ours did in July last year. Fished for 6 days in the month of July.
Doing a great job so far.
The river flows through the Grand Canyon. They even proposed back in the 40s to dam up the Colorado River into Grand Canyon to fill it all up with water. Colorado folks here saw Glen Canyon, big canyon, and they just dammed it up and blocked up the river to fill it up.
Instead of like, can you go tomorrow? You're standing in here between.
State for Arizona and Utah and Sheridan, and then what is it? That about 6 entities that manage. It's actually a luxury on the Navajo Nation, and it is a big deal because my grandparents and even my mom grew up without running water.
Is there use of solar power, wind power, is there targets?
So it's a bit interesting because of like it's a bit that's a cool. Hold on, let me do this.
Whoa.
Size, but yeah, they're really big bedrooms. All master bedrooms.